Absolutely, and who doesn't love a great Disney movie? And Mickey Mouse is going mobile. Disney has launched a cloud-based digital video service where you can buy movies online, then watch them on your computer or Apple devices. It's called Disney Movies Anywhere. BlackBerry is gearing up to launch 2 new phones. The Z3 will sell in Southeast Asia for under $200, and the Q20 is the Back to the Future phone with a traditional keyboard and trackpad. Separately, Ford is reportedly dumping Microsoft for BlackBerry and putting its QNX technology in the new Ford Sync system. That's the infotainment you see on the dashboard. Rest easy, Netflix fans. The online video service is unlikely to jack up prices following its deal with Comcast to make streaming faster. One analyst says the deal may actually save Netflix money since it can now cut out the middleman and deliver to Comcast directly. Another says he expects Netflix to raise subscriptions by just $1 or $2 a month starting next year. And the 23-year-old world chess champion is also a tech whiz. Norwegian Magnus Carlsen is launching an app aimed at making chess more popular with kids. It's called Play Magnus. The app lets you play the champ himself. It's loaded with games Carlsen played and strategies he used starting at age 5. As you get better, you can select tougher games. Carlsen became a grandmaster when he was 13 years old. Now, Cherish, I'm not much of a tech person. A chess person. I'm more of a tic-tac-toe, checkers kind of girl. What about you?
Yeah, Chinese checkers. Oh, yeah, all day long, shoots and ladders. Yeah.
Yes, that's me.
Thank you, Danny. We'll have to go play board games one night. Game night.
Yes.
Thank you. Of course, there's a lot